All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about a tool that saved, well, Zach's butt today. So what am I talking about? OTC, part number 6982 PMC, Professional Mechanics Collet Kit. What it is a stud extractor kit. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with this style, the little wedge that is on my 10 millimeter is broken, which is one of the problems with them, is they break, they don't hold real well, they slip, and you wind up getting a pair of vice grips or something else, and you wind up trying to extract. We had a broken water pump bolt on a Chrysler Jeep, badly corroded as you can see, and there wasn't much sticking out. This grabbed it without a second thought and pulled it right out. I was trying to just see, because I got a new tool. Yes, OTC sent me this tool, but I figured it would be a good little, experiment for the tool to try it out. Broken stud, not much to grab onto. It worked trick. And I'm gonna demo it here in a minute on a AC compressor that is bad, and we got a new one, so show you how it works. See the little part that's shiny? That's all we were able to grab onto. That was it. It pulled it out without a second's thought. So really impressed with this tool. All right, so obviously this one's already out because I tried the tool out. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go barely on this stud. And as you can see, it's fairly corroded. Now you take your collet body, place it on there. You take the screw, you screw it in. Now I have not touched this stud at all. Tighten it up. And you unscrew it. That was all I had to grab onto. So, works really, really well. I'm really impressed with this kit from OTC. Yes, they're a sponsor, but it works. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.